Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So just bought a 2002 Nissan 350Z, super cheap because it was smashed in the back end. Basically it has a certificate of destruction, so that means it can never be titled again. So we're going to turn this into a track car. So as you can see, it was hit pretty hard here in the back. Pulled out the back enough to get the spare tire on. It runs and drives. It has, so it's a 2002, 170,000 miles. Is a 6-speed manual, so that's a good thing. It does not have the Brembo brake package, unfortunately. Paint's in very rough condition, but for what we're going to do with it, it's not going to matter. Probably just respray it a satin or a flat black anyways. Some corrosion in the battery area. Other than that, everything else looks pretty good. The AC blows cold, so we'll probably run it like this until the VQ gives up, and then have a 2J ready to go in it. So we'll run the 2J and the CD009 transmission, leave the stock rear end, probably upgrade the brakes to at least the Brembo package. Here's the other wheel. Have to get a tire for it to roll around on. Have most of the interior plastic also. Probably won't put all the back plastic back in it. And then for the rear, we'll get a probably just get an aftermarket bumper, make a tubular bash bar for it, and just worry about pulling it out enough to make sure we have clearance around the tires, you know, making it look good from the outside. The hatch, a little bit of damage on the edge, but it didn't pop the glass out or anything like that, so somebody robbed the spoiler off of it. But yeah, so stay tuned. If you like this content, please like, subscribe, share. Thanks for watching.